Hey guys, I'm Samson and welcome back to Samson's Customs. Today, we're gonna clean the truck, make her look really nice because it's a little dirty in here. I kinda already got a head start over there. I forgot the camera upstairs, I'm not gonna lie. I was a little lazy to get it. But we're gonna clean up the interior nice and well. We're gonna go around, see some things that need to be fixed, clean the dash, clean the outside of the truck, and yeah, let's get going. Alright guys, just cleaned up the inside of the truck and it's looking really good. Look how much cleaner it looks compared to when we first picked it up with the sand everywhere. I used a good cleaner to get all the dust off. I vacuumed up the floors, vacuumed the mats, brought everything back. Also guys, when cleaning the inside of the truck, I noticed inside the door pillars right here, like a little bit of rust. But it's okay because that's not rot through. We could always surface that down and get that back to metal. The only fear is right here where it did push in and you can see there's a huge gap, but that's not too bad. We can easily get that out, which is nice. We're gonna have to either cut right here, drill out the spot welds, cut down here on this pillar, cut on this side, and we can probably just replace this whole section if we really need to. And it's really easy. The seats are in great condition when I washed them. I thought they weren't gonna be, because I got nervous, but they were really good. And the doors on this side, this is not too bad. We could always grind this down and get that out. The only concerning thing is on the other side of the truck, on the driver's side, this whole door is rotted down here, but it's really easy to get new doors, no problem. Here, this is all surface. We could easily get that down. But yeah, other than that, the truck's in really good condition. And let's jump onto the outside. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Truck's all clean. It's been clean for the first time I think in a long time, maybe a year or two. There was some, mold on the back of the bed. Got it all off with the power washer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's all detailed now, so it looked better than it was. So I like it. I'm happy with it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. And if you want more information on what's going on behind the scenes of YouTube, follow me on Instagram at Samson's Customs. And I post when I'm posting the video and when I'm posting the pictures of what I'm doing with the truck. I'm really enjoying doing this for you guys so far, so thanks for watching.